This is my newest vlog. So we are playing Minecraft once again. So I have this mod called TACZ or TAX, known as Timeless and Classic Zero. So sorry about the interruption. How to do this? Yeah, I was actually finding a new skin that I could use. So this is probably just new here. So we're playing Minecraft again. Sorry for the interruption. And there we go. Once we're playing here. So I haven't vlogged about my survival world yet, but it's kinda a bit in creative right now. I'm in creative in one of my survival worlds because I was building something that was broken and I didn't have much time left on my phone. It was almost going to drain. It was only 20% now, so I had to be quick and use. So yeah, that's it. So this is my. I have to here creative. I had to fix it there. So that's why all my worlds are creative. This from the last world here, my world, creative on the right, my world. My castle, my world. I have to rename this. Lumber world. So let's play. It might take long to save up because it's kind of hard to do. So don't leave while you're loading. If you leave while you're loading, you're probably clicking stuck at 21, but still that's okay. Look here, it's stuck loading. It's stuck loading, but yeah. I haven't went to the sulfur caves yet, but I did went to the deep dark long time ago, but I kind of forgot what map or world that was. Yeah. So here we are. We're back at gaming with Stylo, gaming with Hank. So let's start. Don't mind the stopping of Minecraft there. It's natural. It just takes a while to load, so it just stops and then reloads again. So while you do that, you have to do something. You have to do something that like use like draw while you're waiting, because that's gonna take very long for you. So that you're probably done for if this just kinda happens. It's still stuck on my screen, but if it's on your screen it's loading, maybe the game's already playing. It's just technical issues. I don't mind. I'm actually on 60% right now. Oh my gosh. It moved, but yet it won't work. See, it's kinda playing a little bit because my FPS kinda dropped at that point. Oh yeah, I'm here. So I have the tax mod on, kinda rejoined because it was kinda junky. So this is my netherite. This is actually netherite. I just installed it on mod. So I'm on creative and still filling my emergency area. So I'm probably just trying to get something here. And then we're just going to get totem of undying in case of emergencies. And then put it here. Always have an emergency here. Emergency kit. And then we're gonna get pearl. And just get one of them. Oh, I dropped this. So we're gonna need this back here. These. Here add these. Okay, so the emergencies happen. And potion of night vision. Night vision. Invisibility. And then what you're gonna need is swiftness. Swiftness. So that's alright. Regeneration. So you're gonna need OP stuff. There you go. You're gonna need a lot of OP stuff. You're gonna need fire resistance too. Oh, wait. You're gonna need fire resistance. So after that, what you're gonna need is leaping. This one leaping there. And for your enemies, enemy healing, poison. It's very important when you get an enemy chasing you. And strength. You're also gonna need strength. Number one there is strength. Instant damage. No, we don't want that here. That's dangerous. So what if you can't heal now? You can just respawn with that. But you gotta just get splash potion, harming. Oozing. That's your enemies. So we're gonna need slowness. Slowness. Yeah, that's important. Night vision. Night vision, night vision. Swiftness. Invisibility, invisibility. Leaping, so you're gonna need leaping. That's important too. Oozing is down here. Strength. So we're gonna put all of the good stuff up here. So we're gonna use that for emergency cases if the wither comes or a lot of zombies come out. So yeah, this is the house. I'm a lumberjack. My character is a lumberjack here. You can see it's a lumberjack. Oh my, I keep lagging. Bro, this zombie is overpowered. The zombie is overpowered. Ah! The zombie is so overpowered. These guys here are very important. Especially when you can get their gear. protection weapon. So you got a theory that these zombies were actually players, and then they just got lost while talking. So I'm gonna keep that inside for emergencies, for some moderate emergency. Why did I eat that? I thought it was steak. Ew. Nah, bro. Whatever, bro. I'm just gonna drink milk. So here, nope, okay. And then I just kind of fix it. If there any enemy throws any bad things at you, it's kind of important to bring milk with you too, since that can drain it afterwards. So there, I kind of chopped a wood here. I was like trying to survive. So thanks for watching this my channel right now, and goodbye.